Hey guys, so I have done a couple of videos about my Stanley tumbler. I did a full unboxing and review when I first got it. This is my 30-ounce tumbler. I recently came on here and showed you guys how I made my Stanley leak-proof with my top here. So I have been in contact with the company. They have these great pouch holders for the Stanley. So I just got mine today, and this is totally amazing from what I saw on Amazon. And I'm gonna put the link down below, but I wanted to come on here and open this up and try it out with you guys. And I got like the purple and pink color. They have some different options of styles that you can get, and you can get them for your 30-ounce tumbler as well as the 40-ounce tumbler. So this is the holder, and it holds your Stanley. The good thing about it is that you also have an opening for your handle, because a lot of them are just for the tumblers that don't have a handle. But this one is for the handle, and then you have a full pouch where you can keep things. So if you're going out and you just want your water bottle, you can put your ID, your money, you can put your cell phone in here. And guess what? Guess what, guys? It has a strap, so you can have it on your shoulder like a purse, like a bag. So you can just have your water bottle and you don't even have to wear a purse. Like, I love going to like my son's sporting events, and I can just like bring the water bottle, and I don't have to carry a purse too. Or if we go places this summer, like if you go to the zoo or anything, like, it makes it so convenient. You put it in the pouch, and then you just strap it like underneath your handle, and so that way your handle is exposed. And there you have it. And you can put your money, your lip gloss, whatever you need. And let's see, I'm gonna do a little test and see if my phone fits in here. So guys, you see my phone is in here, and it is all zipped up, and there you go. This is so cool. So now I definitely can have my Stanley water tumbler, 30-ounce, on the go, hands-free, without a purse, on the go. So this is the greatest thing. And like I mentioned, so I just strapped it here. They have a nice strap cushion for your shoulder so that it's really comfortable. I'm going to strap it on the other side, and there you have it. Your Stanley tumbler, hands-free, in this nice pouch bag. I'm gonna put the link down below. I got this off Amazon. It was around maybe $19 or so. I'll have the exact pricing in the description, but they had a few different options based on the style that you get and the size of your tumbler, if you got the 30-ounce or 40-ounce. So I'll put everything below if you guys are interested in this. And I'm excited. This is going to be so great for summer, so that I can take my tumbler on the go. All right, thanks. See you guys next time.